Well, I gotta say, I am pretty pumped with how this project turned out. Just as I imagined it. I might fiddle around with the light a little bit to try and move the bulb up so I get a little more of an even glow, but the patina on the copper and everything just, it makes this entryway. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with someone who also might appreciate it. The plans for this wall sconce, as well as the Kamiko lamps that I did in my last video, as well as the tutorials and plans for this door, are all going to be up shortly on the Makers Mob site. So if you want access to learn how to build these things for yourself so that your entryway can look this dope, feel free to check that out. Link in the description box or up in the corner. As well as John Peters, one of the other makers on the Makers Mob platform, just released a video of this flippin' rad painting that he did with rust and steel and paint and this gorgeous frame of Jimi Hendrix. If you haven't seen that, there's a link in the description box below or up in the corner. Go and check that out because he's releasing a full tutorial series on how to make that exact painting, which I'm pumped to learn myself because painting is art. It's flippin' rad. I've always wanted to do painting, but I've been super intimidated by it. John is kind of releasing that whole intimidation around, doing beautiful artwork and painting, and I am pumped to learn. So the next video coming down the pipe will be the video of me building this beautiful door all out of solid cherry. Super fun build, and considering the nasty 70s weird panel door with like orange glass that was here before, I'd say this is a pretty awesome upgrade. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of this awesome content. Until the next video, guys, Samurai out.